Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy duty tow hooks, front parking sensors, as well as a chrome bumper and grille. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look at the bed now. Line-X spray-in bed liner. And then you also have the soft cover on top. Those are going to keep your bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.